In the previous video, we learned how to find this teacher appreciation project and confirmed we had all the required tools and materials. In this video, we'll prep our materials for scoring and cutting. Click Make It when you're ready. As always, Design Space breaks out the project into steps by color and cutting mats. In this case, we have 5 different mats. Looks good. Hit Continue when you're ready. If your machine isn't already connected, now is when you'll be prompted to do so. To set our material, just click Browse All Materials. And yep, there's glitter cardstock. Then Done. The standard grip mat works perfectly with glitter cardstock. So use the left corner as your guide. Smooth it down, and press the Load button when you're ready. Nice! If you've already got your fine point blade in place, you can hit the Cricut button to commence the cut. And yes, this one is quick. Here's a tip to remove your cuts from the mat. Think of pulling the mat from the paper, not the paper from the mat. Use your tabletop for leverage. Give the mat a good bend and check that out. Meanwhile, Design Space is ready for mat number 2 and you anytime. This time we're selecting medium cardstock from the materials list. And the blade stays put. And there's one awesome sliver of apple. Let's just remove those remnants and make way for our box. When we set material to foil poster board, you'll notice double scoring wheel is the recommended tool. Since we're changing tools, we'll first remove the blade we just used. Then grab your scoring wheel housing. Push the quick release button on the top. Snap on your number 2 tip. This etch number 1 or 2 IDs single or double wheel respectively, by the way. Insert the complete tool into clamp B. Align the gears, snap the latch shut, and you're ready to score. Since we'll be folding into the crease, make sure to heed this warning and place the paper pretty side down on the mat. For best results, always use the recommended tools. But if you don't have a specific tool, you can edit tools in Design Space. With double scoring wheel, we'll end up with 2 extra deep parallel lines, which make every fold, even in this thicker material, not just flawless, but effortless too. Tap the Cricut button. And when scoring is complete, Design Space prompts you to switch out your tool again. Press Go once you do. Okay, so let's pop that piece off, remove the remnant material, and use Design Space as your guide. We're using glitter cardstock for our leaf. Once it's scored, switch back to fine point blade for the cut. And finally, the rosette. Our material setting is medium cardstock. The tool is scoring wheel. To switch the tip, snap the single wheel into place. Put the whole tool into clamp B and press Go. And once it's scored, you'll switch back to fine point blade for one final cut. We'll assemble this A+ project in the next video. See you there!